Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rehan. Today in this video, I want to share my idea. So last time if correct me if I'm wrong, I was thinking about AI chatbot, and I was done with it, and but I didn't satisfy. Actually, it's just like ordinary chatbot. So, and I remember my old project, which is just concept or just idea, and I want to make it real. So yeah, with Firebase Studio, I make a web like this. Oh yeah, and uh the my old project about a chatbot, I was used in here to make a feature. So like, if you have, so you can see in here, I was use it as a customer service. Okay, so yeah, the the main idea is for making this is came from uh, when I was my air conditioner is broke. I was called the service to mechanic to came to my house to fix it. From there, I want to make a website to manage all of them. So if you have a problem with your cars, maybe bike or motorcycle, your vehicles, you can call service to make a service actually. Okay, so yeah, that's the idea. Oh, and by the way, I make it for myself to code to React. So I didn't make the Firebase Studio. I was making for my own. Okay, and maybe we can compare it later. uh, okay, in here we can see the website, like the order parts. If you click it, you can see the product we sell, like spare part or something. And then if you go search service, it will be where's your location. Okay, exactly to know where is my location to make a service. And then yeah, this is the payment method. You can use your virtual account or something like a payment. And this is the news, this is the filter. And if you write about nah, this is about the bank app online. You can see this is just and this is testimonials to make sure what our customer says. And I think there's nothing special about it, just like that. uh, and then, oh yeah, I will show you my project. This is actually my own project. uh, I've done it like 2 or 3 days to make it. So yeah, this is without an AI, actually less AI to make it. If this is full an AI, I was make it for, yeah, because I am kaput. Okay, so yeah, this is my what I'm created. So this is, you can see the bank account online, satisfied something. This is using React and Tailwind CSS, like this. More about us, and this is the payment method. uh, okay, this is the testimonials, our review, and this is the news. This is the footer. So if I search in here, it will be locked to, oh, maybe I cannot use in here. Maybe I can have to order now. So yeah, this is the where's your location, like this. And this is the map. I'm using API Google Maps to make it, yeah, to make it. So this is just like, you know, you just fill it, name, phone, car, etc, etc, and just order now. and then came back home lah. Okay, this is the about, more about us. You can click it. This is my about. Actually, this is what I want to uh, website it look be, not like this. Actually, this is my own. I customize for my own. And okay, and just like this is the testimonials. This can, you can see the testimonial in here, because yeah, I change it. So yeah, and the product is just like this. The spare part, the oil, the name and the price, you can sort it. uh, and then the blog itself is just like this. You can read more. And this is the contact. You can, if you have any problem or that, you can contact us. Okay, the for the minus is I didn't use the AI in here. uh, so this is maybe the plus one, because yeah, I can text an AI. Yeah, okay, I can use it in here, but not in uh, my React web, because yeah, I didn't use it. So yeah, maybe that's my idea, and that's my website. What do you think? What do you how do you feel about it? Maybe you have an insight. So yeah, that's mine. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.